the 27th of May, we've got our next late night worship session, so we'd love you to come and join us at 8 p.m. on that Sunday evening, where we're going to dim the lights, we're going to have some chilled out worship music, and we're going to create an atmosphere where you can really press in and encounter God. So we'd love you to join us 27th of May at 8 p.m.
Belongs to you.
If you're new here to Excel Church, then we would love to invite you to our coffee and cakes evening, which is going to be on the 23rd of June at 5:30 p.m. It's just a chance for you to get to know the leaders here at church and find out a bit more about what the vision of Excel is too. So if that's you, if you want to come along to the coffee and cakes evening, then please go and speak to one of our welcome team to sign yourself up, or you can do that on the website too. So that's the 23rd of June is our new person's coffee and cake evening. Announcing the dates for this year's Summer Holiday Club, it will be from the 7th until the 12th of August, and it's going to be an awesome week taking on a computer games theme. We'd love you to be there if you are aged between 5 and 11, and if you're not, then why not consider volunteering to make the week an awesome week for everyone, the 7th to the 12th of August for this year's computer game themed holiday club. Here's a date for your diary. Sunday the 1st of July, we're coming here to Hickman Park for Hope in the Park. It's an annual event and it's a great opportunity for us as a church to reach out into the community here in Bilston. So we're looking for some of you lovely people to volunteer for running a stall with our flyers and things on, maybe running some sports games, giving out some flyers, maybe face painting, anything like that. If you think you can help out, then please go and speak to Dan and let him know. Otherwise, we'll see you here at 12 noon with your picnics for Hope in the Park on Sunday the 1st of July. On the first weekend in June, we're all going off to Strength Will Rise at Kethenley. So if you are coming with us, it's going to be awesome. But if you're not, then please remember there are no services here that weekend. That's the 1st to 3rd of June. Here at Excel Church, there will be no services because we're all at Strength Will Rise. We've got programmes for all ages of young people here on a Friday, starting at 10 a.m. with Noah's Ark Stay and Play Group for all preschool children. Then at 6:30 we've got G-Force, which is for all children who are at primary school. Loads of fun and games going on there on a Wacky Races theme this term. Then at 8:15 we've got 180 for high school students. So if you want to come along, play some crazy games. Different things happen at 180 each week. We've got project nights, theme nights, United Praise, and also small groups. So if you want to come along, we'd love to see you there 8:15 on a Friday night until 10 p.m. If you've got any questions about anything that goes on here at Excel Church, or you just want to speak to someone, then why not speak to our welcome team? They are so friendly and helpful and lovely as well. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more Excel news.